This is Bitcoin's effect, and I'm back with another great strategy, guys. Another great and perfect strategy for you guys. This strategy is one of the best strategy you need to trade boom and crash, guys. Let me show you how you can trade and catch spikes, catch a lot of spikes as a pro. You can see a lot of spike happened right this morning. You can see a spike happened right this morning. So I want to show you this strategy, how you can use this strategy to catch multiple spikes, guys. This strategy is working perfectly. You can see a little spike happened here, very little spike happened here, a little spike happened. Do you know why it was a little spike? I will show you. I will tell you why this little spike happened, why it couldn't spike like this one and these two spikes. So I'll tell you why this little spike happened, why it couldn't spike big. Now let's start from there. The reason it couldn't spike long is it's not the right time for the spike to come. Yes, let me use that. It is not yet the time to come. It is a scalping time. This way you can use it to scalp, and you can also use it to catch spikes. So this is actually a scalping time. Now, how do you know when it's a scalping time? You will see this indicator. See this indicator crossing this. Once you see this indicator crossing the price, guys, it is a time to scalp. Yes, it is a time to scalp. And if you're scalping against spikes, always watch your resistance. It is wrong to scalp when you are close to resistance. This is the resistance. You see, it's close to the resistance. I will not advise you to scalp. Now, if this scalping came up somewhere at the support, I will say it's right for you to scalp, and it will take you up to it. So now that we are already at the resistance, we want to catch spikes. If you're trying to scalp at the resistance, when you are trading crash, guys, it is wrong. What if a spike comes? Because we are expecting a spike right in this video. So what if a spike happens? You will lose something. So guys, the right time to scalp with this strategy is at your support level, not at your resistance. And then if you want to use this strategy to scalp, you have to get to your 1 hour time frame. Go to your 1 hour time frame and see what is 1 hour telling you. Now you see our 1 hour time frame is, hold on, our 1 hour time frame is saying buy. It is buying. Our 1 hour time frame is buying. That is why it is scalping, but it is at the resistance level. That is the what my indicator is showing me is that it is at the resistance level. So it is wrong to scalp. If your 1 hour time frame was showing you buy at the support level, guys, you can scalp as a legend, because when you're trading crash, you want to catch spikes crashing down. So guys, before you scalp this strategy, get to your 1 hour time frame. Confirm from your 1 hour time frame. Know the candle, the current burning candles, because this spike works hand to hand with 1 hour time frame. If 1 hour is buying, then it is right to scalp. If 1 hour is selling, then you'll be catching multiple spikes, guys. This is the top secret. Someone texted me and talked about using a strategy, and then it's passed through the support level and it didn't spike up on boom. So before you're using a strategy, go to your 1 hour time frame, confirm the burning candle, the current candlesticks. If as you're trading crash, you're going to 1 hour time frame to check, and the current candlestick is bearish. It's bearish, selling candlesticks. It is gonna spike. It's gonna be spiking. But if you're trading crash and you want to catch spikes, and you go to your 1 hour time frame and you're seeing bullish candlesticks, guys, it's selling. It won't crash because it's not for the spike at that moment. So guys, that is another top secret I have told you. When you want to catch spikes, work hand to hand with your 1 hour time frame, your 1 minute time frame, and your 1 hour time frame, hand to hand with your one. You can see right now the 1 hour time frame is still buying up. So guys, are you expecting to catch spikes, to catch crash spikes when your 1 hour time frame is bullish? It's bullish. No, it's not possible. So guys, if your 1 hour time frame is telling you sell, bearish, guys, you'll be catching multiple spikes with this strategy. But if your 1 hour time frame is telling you bullish buy, guys, you need to hold on. And if it is telling you bullish at I'm telling you two things on this video, you have to just listen carefully. If the 1 hour time frame is telling you bullish, which means buy, and then you check this indicator and it is at your support level when you're trading crash. Remember, if it is at your support level, you know it's gonna buy up to the resistance level before it spikes. Listen carefully. If you're trading with this strategy and if your 1 hour time frame is telling you bullish, and then you get to your 1 minute time frame and check this indicator and it is right at your support level, and it is telling you bullish at the 1 hour time frame, guys, you can trade perfectly, because even if a spike is gonna be small, because the 1 hour time frame is telling you bullish. So guys, that doesn't mean you should stay in the market trading against spike to catch all the candlesticks. 10 candlesticks is enough for you to scalp and make profit and walk out of the market. 10 candlesticks is enough. So guys, this strategy works perfectly for boom and crash, and it works for catching spikes and scalping. So I'm going to show you how you can catch spikes also. So I am also explaining how you can scalp successfully. You can see now the 1 hour time frame candlestick is still buying. So you can't catch spikes right now because it is buying. If it was selling like a rate, like something like this, candlestick you're seeing here, if this is what you found, like, guys, you'll be catching spikes, because the current 1 hour candlesticks is selling and you want to catch crash spikes, guys. So this is the top secret you need to always apply in your trading life, guys. This is top secret, guys. So let's get back to the 1 hour time frame, guys. 1 minute time frame. So sorry about that, guys. Okay, so you can see, guys, it is still buying up because the 1 hour time frame is still saying buy, but since this blue line you're seeing here, which is one of our indicators, it is at a resistance level, I will not scalp. I will not enter a scalping trade now. No, I will never enter a scalping trade right now, because there might be a rejection that will just change the trend from buying to selling, because my indicator is already at the resistance level, which a spike should start happening. So guys, it is wrong to scalp at this time, but be expecting to catch spikes at this time. So let me tell you how to use this indicator and catch spikes. Before using this indicator, go to your 1 hour time frame. If you're catching spikes in crash, make sure the current candlestick is bearish. You'll be catching spikes, guys. If you see all these spikes that happened here, guys, you can see all these spikes that happened. Here, guys. All these spikes from top to this bottom here, guys. If you get to your 1 hour time frame, you will see the candle that was burning before this. The previous candle was bearish, was selling, and then we got all those spikes. Now you can see the current candle is bullish. So guys, you can see that. So let's get back to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, now this video is for those that need a whole lot of confirmations, a whole lot of indicators for confirmation. Maybe they're afraid of using 1, 2, 3 indicators. They need much indicators so they can have much confirmations. So this video is for you guys. You can see we have different indicators on our chart, and then I'll show you how all this indicator works. And if you follow them carefully, guys, you're gonna be winning big. Guys. So let's get to business, guys. You can see we have a green line on our indicator window, or we have a red line, and we also have a blue line. Yes, and also if you check to our main chart, we have a yellow, sky blue, and then we have a deep blue and also a green. So guys, I'll show you how all these indicators and these lines works for your group, guys. But remember, before using this indicator, go to your 1 hour time frame and check the current burning candlesticks. Yes, your 1 minute time frame and your 1 hour time frame works hand to hand. Guys, you can see if a spike happens right now and you get to your 1 hour time frame to check, you will discover that there is a rejection on the current bullish candlestick. There must be a long rejection. That is to show you that 1 minute time frame and 1 hour time frame are working hand to hand. So if a spike comes now, okay guys, you can see a spike happened. I told you we were expecting a spike. You can see right in front of you a spike happened. Okay, now let's get to your 1 hour time frame. You're gonna see a long rejection, guys. You can see a spike happen, a very long spike that took the trade all the way from the resistance level to the support. So guys, you can see why I told you it is wrong for you to scalp right now, because we are already at our support, our resistance level. So let's get to the 1 hour time frame and see what 1 hour will tell you. You can see, guys, you can see right in front of you now the candle trend has changed from bullish to bearish. You can see, guys, the candlestick has just changed. There is a long rejection from the top. There is a long rejection, guys. The rejection changed the candlestick from bullish to bearish. Guys, you can see what I'm telling you, guys. You can see that 1 minute and 1 hour candlesticks works hand to hand, guys. You can see a spike happen, and then the current candlestick changed from bullish to bearish before. So you can see 1 hour and 1 minute work hand to hand. So guys, you can see that. You can see if you go to your time, you can see it is not yet time for the 1 hour time 1 hour candlestick to close. You can still enter a spike trade. You will still catch much spikes because it's not yet time for the candlestick to close. It is just opening. So guys, you can see why I'm telling you 1 minute and 1 hour time frame work hand to hand. I'm making this video for the sake of people who asked me. So guys, when you're trying to catch spikes in any indicator, confirm with your 1 hour time frame, guys. This works hand to hand. You can just see right in front of you, we got a spike. We got a long spike. So that's to show you this indicator is working perfectly, guys. So let's get to 1 minute time frame. Let me show you how all this indicator works, guys. You can see before this spike happened, this line, this red line was here, and this green line was here, and also this blue line was here at the resistance. So guys, when you're catching spikes with this strategy, you need to hold on for the red line, to move to this to the support, like the red line to move to the 25.00 and 20.00, and then this green line should move to 80.00 and 75.00, and then the blue line must also be at 80.00 and 75.0, which is the resistance. So guys, you can see this spike happened right when these indicating lines got to that point. I am telling you, just listen to me carefully, you will understand this video. This is exactly what I'm telling you. You can see here, if you look closely to what I just did, you will see a blue line up there, you see a green line up there, and you will see a red line here, which means that then a spike happened. And if you go back to our previous charts, you will see same thing here, same thing happened here. You can see same thing happened here, same thing happened here. You can see the red line is at 10.00 and the blue line is above, a little bit above 80.00 and 75.00. And then if you're moving again backward to see, you can see how many spikes happened here. You can see how many spikes happened here, guys. You can see how many spikes happened here. You can see the spike happened here, and then you will see the blue line was right here at a little bit above 8.00 and 75.00, and this red line was at right 10.00, and then all this back happened. And then you can see this green line was right at 80.00, You can see this green line was right at 80.00 and 75.00. So guys, if you can just go back to this video when I started this video, you can see these two lines wasn't there. They were around this place. So it never got up to the right time to spike. So when it got up to the right time to spike, the spike came and changed the trend from bullish to bearish at 1 hour time frame. So guys, when you're using this strategy to catch spikes, for much more confirmation, these are different indicators and I will show you how to set them. I will show you my settings, guys. These are different indicators. You have to wait for this red line down here. You have to wait for this red line to get to 10.00, and you have to wait for this green line you are seeing here to get to 80.00, or even if it moves a little bit, guys, you can enter your trade, you catch spikes. But be sure of the 1 hour time frame if it is currently burning a bearish candlestick, because you are selling. You want to crash spikes selling. So guys, you can see this, and also make sure that your blue line is at your 80.00 or 70.00 or a little bit above. You can see what just happened. But even when we were thinking the trend is gonna change to a bullish trend, it still spiked, because this strategy never fails, guys. This strategy never fails. So I have been using this strategy and it's been working perfectly for me, and I work hand to hand with my 1 hour time frame each time I'm catching spikes. 1 hour time frame and 1 minute time frame, I work hand to hand with them and I catch multiple spikes with all the strategy I have been posting. Guys, you can also use this working with hand to hand 1 hour and 1 minute time frame in all other strategies I have been posting, guys. They work hand to hand to make you win big, guys. So you can see when this blue line went up from the support level to the resistance level, which is my 80.00, this spike happened. And guys, you can see after these two lines, red and green line, crossed each other, the green line went upward and the red line went downward. And when the red line got to 10.00 and the green line got to 80.00, and both lines were up here, not in the middle. The both line were up here, down here. This spike happened, and then the blue line was also up here at the resistance. The spike happened and brought the blue line down to the support level, guys. You can see that. So that's to show you this strategy is working perfectly. As you can see, a very long and mighty spike happened. A spike that took this blue line all the way from the resistance back to the support. That's to show you it might scalp up again before a spike happened. So guys, this video was mainly to catch spikes, but I have also told you how you can still use this strategy to trade against spikes and still make profit for yourself, guys. It is working perfectly. So guys, I will explain this one more time again before I show you my settings and how I am setting this. Please, you need to be careful when you're setting these indicators. You need to be careful, the colors, the settings, and the rest of other things, guys. If you're trading to catch spikes, make sure you can see what I'm doing, guys. You can see my cursor. Make sure that the green line is up here and the red line is down here at the same. The red line should be. You see what happened here was that changed. This time was green line down and red line up, and the spike happened here. Here it changed, green line up and red line down. So you don't need to be waiting only when the red line will be down. You can see they crossed here and they changed. You can see what I'm trying to tell you. So whenever you're seeing these two lines up and these two lines down, and then you go to the blue line and you see the blue line is also up with the green line at the same unit, guys, there will be a spike. And then you go to your 1 hour time frame and confirm, and you see it is a bearish trend. Sorry, you go to your 1 hour time frame and see it is a bearish candlestick, guys. There's gonna be a long spike, guys. You can see the long spike we got just in front of you from up here. You can see, guys, the long. If you took a trade, guys, just think of how much you make right now, guys, using this strategy. So this strategy is working perfectly, guys, working perfectly, guys. This is the strategy you need. So I believe you've understood how to understand this strategy. I will still show you one more time after showing you my indicators. Now let's get to show you the indicator I'm using. For those watching my video for the first time, where you can get your indicator from your F icon. Sorry about that, guys. F icon. Click on the F icon, and then the indicator steps out. Guys, you can see the indicator. I'm combining all these indicators on my main chart and my indicator window 1, and all of them are working for my own good, guys. And then I want to show you the settings, guys. Let's get to the first moving average. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 moving average on the main chart, guys. All these indicators are working perfectly, guys, perfectly. For those that need much more confirmations, I made a video on how you can use relative strength index alone. Just that strategy, just it alone to catch spikes and trade against and scalp. So this other video is for those that need multiple confirmations before they pick a trade. So let's get to the first settings at moving average 1. You can see I have period 15, shift 0, method linear weight apply to closed. I have styles 4 pixel with a blue color, and I don't have levels for this, and you click done, and you got oh, guys, you can see we just another spike happened, same in this video. That is just to spike, guys. You can see what I just told you. Another spike happened right in front of you, guys. You can see another spike happening. Why is this spike happening? Because we took this trade at this trade is at the right time for spike to happen. You can see this blue line. Okay, you can see this blue line here. When it got top to this top, when it got to the resistance, the spike, and then traded a little bit and spiked again. So guys, you can see this green line was up here and this red line was down here, which means it is the right time for a spike to happen. So guys, you can see if you enter the trade and got the spike and got the second spike, guys, I love to make a video and you see what I'm making happening, what I'm saying happening right in front of you. And if you get to your 1 hour time frame right now, guys, you will see a long sell candle, which is bearish. You will see that. So you can just see that right in front of you here. This is it. You can see. So guys, I told you, if your 1 hour time frame, if your 1 hour candlestick is telling you sell, just sell, you catch spikes. Just sell, you catch spikes, guys. You catch multiple spikes. So guys, this strategy works perfectly. So let me get to show you my settings for this strategy again. Guys, you can see we got another long spike right in this video. So what strategy do you need? The second one is much more longer than the first one, guys. You can see that. So what strategy do you need, guys? The strategy, you will be waiting and you'll be losing money. You can see right in front of you 2 spikes happened. 2 long great spikes, guys. So let's get to the second indicator, moving average 2. Let me call it moving average 2, but there is no 2 written, but I have 4, so I have to add the number to them so you can understand. I have period 14, shift 0. You can please take note of these settings. There are different settings, guys, different. You have period 14. You can screenshot all the settings. While setting them, you can use your screenshot or you can write them down. But the reason I'm using moving average 1, moving average 2, so if you're writing it down, you can just add moving average 1, moving average 2 till we get to the fourth one. So you understand what I mean now, okay? So we have period 14, shift 0, method linear weight apply to closed, styles 4 pixel with a green color. I call it a green color, and I don't have levels for this, and you click done, and you go to the next indicator, which is moving average 3. You see difference right now. I have period 17, shift 0, method linear weight. I have applied to closed. I have style 4 pixel with serene color. I don't know, you can call it a sky blue, okay? You can call it a sky blue, yes. So guys, just screenshot it, guys. Screenshot it. What I know best is trading and how to make profit. So you can screenshot it. Let's get to the last moving average. moving average 4. You can see the difference in the settings. We have here period 21, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to closed, styles 4 pixel, and levels. I don't have levels for this. And you click done. We are done with the moving average, guys. So let's get to the next indicator, which is the stochastic oscillator, guys. You click on stochastic oscillator and you can screenshot these, guys. You can see the settings. You can see the settings for this. You can see percent K period 1. You can see percent D period 1. You can see slowing 1. You can see price field low stroke high. You can see method simple. You can see styles. I have main is 2 pixel with a black color. Okay, and then I have signal 2 pixel with a black color also, and I have levels here, guys. I have 20, 80, 50, 20, 10, and I have my styles is 3 pixel. And guys, just screenshot everything you're seeing here, and it's gonna help you grow and win big, guys. And then you click done. So guys, for this stochastic oscillator, if you're using a white background, if you're using a black background, set this place to be white. If you're using a black background, set here to be white. Yes. If you're using a black background, set here to be white. I'm using a white background, that's why I'm using black color here. So I hope you understood that, guys. So let's get to the next indicator. We have the MACD, MACD. I call it MACD. So MACD 1, I have about, how many do I have here? I have about 4. So I call it MACD 1. If you're writing it down or screenshotting it, you can share the MACD 1. I have fast EMA 35, slow EMA 14, Mac SMA 8. I have apply to close, typical price, and you have bracket L, you have bracket HLC stroke 3, you bracket it, and I have styles 1 pixel and a white, a main. I have 1 pixel and a white color, and the signal I have 2 pixel and a red color, guys. You can just click done and get to the next indicator on Mac, the MACD2. Let's call it MACD2. And you guys, you can just screenshot this, and keep. I will hold on for you to screenshot this, guys. This, you can see they are all different. They are not the same settings, guys. There are different settings, so you need to screenshot them. There are all different settings, guys. You need to screenshot them. I hope you're done, guys, with this. And I click done, and we get to the third one, the MACD3. And guys, this, you can see there are all different settings, guys. There are all different settings, guys. I'll hold on for you to screenshot this and write it. If you're writing, you can write it down, guys. This indicator is what I have been using with my Telegram group to make profits. It is free. The video, I will drop a link to my Telegram group. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, so you can be getting much more videos. Once I drop, it's gonna appear, and then turn on your notification bell so they can be notifying you each time I drop a video, guys. So I hope you're done with that, and we get to the last MACD4, or MACD, which I will call it MACD4. And we have, you can screenshot these also. You can see they're all different settings, guys. So do well to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe, comment on this video. I am sure this video is gonna be helpful to you. Make sure you're working hand to hand with 1 minute time frame and 1 hour time frame if you're catching spikes, guys. You can see what happened right in front of you, guys. You can see I love to make a video, and then you see what I'm trying to explain happening right in front of you, guys. So you can, I'm sure you've screenshot this and you've copied it down, and then we get to the last indicator, which is the relative strength index. And then you can see you have period 14, apply to close, start to pixel with the blue color. I have levels for this. You can always click your pen icon. You can always click your pen icon to select, to edit your levels. I have 25 and 75, and I have, you can see 1 pixel with a hash color, and you click done. I hope you're done with the indicator settings, guys. So you can see exactly what I was trying to explain to you. These lines are changing here. You can see They are changing here. Now the red line is going up and the green line is coming down. So when they both get to this level, guys, we are expecting another spike. When they both get down to this level, the same level here, we got this spike. You can see the same level here where we got this spike. We are expecting another spike. And then you need to also wait for this blue line to also get up here. You can see this blue line was up here with this green line before this spike happened. So you have to wait for this blue line to get up here to the resistance. Now it is, if you want to scalp, it is the right time to scalp because you're scalping up to the resistance level. But before scalping, go to your 1 hour time frame and see if it is buying. But if it is selling, don't scalp. But if it is buying, you can scalp. If it is showing bearish, don't scalp. But if it is showing bullish, you can scalp. Scalp with the mind that once it gets up, once this blue line gets up to this level, the trend is gonna change. The candlestick is gonna change from the bullish to bearish, just as it happened in this video. So if you're scalping, go to your 1 hour time frame and check what is going on there. If it is showing you bullish, then you can scalp, and then you can take 10 candlesticks and walk out of the trade and be expecting to cash backs when this blue line gets up here, and then this green line will get down here, and then the red line also will get up here with the blue line, and you will see both line will match up here just exactly as you see here, and then a spike will happen. And then also for another confirmation to scalp, you need to wait to see the price. You need to wait to see the indicator crossing the price. You can see what I'm trying to say here. Let me use this so you can notice what I'm trying to say rightfully. You need to wait to see this indicating line crossing the price, and you can see when it crosses, a little spike happen here. It's gonna even take your scalping a profit, not to talk of your capital. So you can see, guys, this strategy works perfectly for two things. So you can see, if you're watching this trade, right, this price right now, you'll see it is actually trying to scalp here because the indicator is trying to cross the price. It's trying to cross the price, and then you can see this blue line is trying to buy up to spike. So guys, this strategy is working perfectly, guys. It's working perfectly. So I know you needed a strategy like this. You'll be making profit for yourself. So that's why I dropped. And right in front of this video, guys, we got a long great spike. Guys, just imagine if you're using this strategy and you got this spike for your morning trade. Guys, just imagine the breakfast you're gonna be taking, guys. Something good. So you can join the link to my Telegram group and be enjoying free signal. Everything there is free signals. And then, guys, subscribe to my channel and follow up this strategy. You can repeat watching this video carefully, follow up the settings and the way I have explained how this strategy works. You can always comment. You can chat me up on WhatsApp personally. If there is anything you don't understand, chat me up personally and I will break it down for you to understand, because I want everyone to grow, make profits, enjoy yourself, guys. So stay blessed, and always thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, because I know you're gonna subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you can be getting notified each time I drop a video. Stay blessed. I love you guys.